Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to change the default microphone on your Windows computer. So it's pretty simple. What we're going to do from our desktop is down here on the taskbar, go over to the speaker volume icon and then right click on that. This is going to open us up a menu where we have a few options. We want to left click on where it says sound settings. This is going to open up a menu here for our sound settings, and in our input, if we go down to this area, we can choose a device for speaking or recording, and I want my default microphone to be my Yeti stereo microphone, so I'm going to select that option right here. And if you need to, you can always pair a new input device by clicking where it says add device, and potentially if you want a default microphone to be paired over Bluetooth, you can do that option right here. So exiting out of this, and next time I go to my sound settings menu, I can go down to the inputs and I can see that my Yeti stereo microphone is still selected as my default device for speaking or recording. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to change the default microphone on your Windows computer. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.